Hello again! So the last video I posted, I was reviewing how to add using the place value or expanded form strategy. In this video, I am going to review how to subtract using the strategy. The sheet I pulled these equations from, it came in the bagged packet. It says Daily Math Review at the top, week number 2, Tuesday, and it is just the question letter D. If you can't find this sheet, it's no big deal, but this is one of the problems that was on this sheet here. Since I'm doing subtraction in this video, I'm going to look at 96 minus 35. The first thing I need to do when I'm solving an equation using the strategy is make sure that my equation is stacked. Next, I'm going to expand these numbers. Remember, when expanding a number, you are simply breaking apart your tens and your ones. So first, by looking at 96, I know that I have 9 tens and 6 ones. 96 expanded becomes 90 plus 6. And 35 expanded becomes 30 plus 5. Now this is very important. When I was looking back at your classwork, this is one thing many of you forgot to do or you were getting confused on. It is so important you remember to carry over your sign. This sign right here, whatever sign is right here, I carried it over. This sign is going to tell me whether I'm adding or subtracting these numbers. So I have my subtraction sign, I know I'm subtracting my ones, and I know I'm subtracting my tens. Right away, I can start 6 minus 5. I can do that. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 90 minus 30 is 60. Now this is also another thing that is very important when solving subtraction using this strategy. Remember, the first thing that we do is we subtract our ones, and we did that. We subtracted 6 minus 5 and it gave us 1. Next, we are going to subtract our tens. Same thing, we did that with 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 30 and it gave us 60. So subtract our ones, subtract our tens, and then right here we're going to add the 10, what we have here, to the ones. So add tens to ones. So 60 plus 1 equals 61. 96 minus 35 equals 61. Remember, again, subtraction. Make sure you have your sign. Subtract, subtract, add. Subtract your ones, subtract your tens, add together. Add your tens to your ones. Now, if I was wanting to solve an equation where I did have to regroup, 93 minus, let's do 36. Simple enough. First thing, again, I'm going to expand my numbers. 90 plus 3 and 30 plus 6. Draw the line, carrying over my sign, super important. My sign tells me I'm subtracting, and I'm subtracting. 3 minus 6, can we do it? No, we can't. So we have to go to our neighbor. Hey, 90, can I borrow 10 from you? He says sure. So he becomes 80. And since we borrowed, this 3 becomes 13. So now I subtract 13 minus 6. Well, I know that 6 plus 6 gives me 12. So one more, 6 plus 7 must give me 13. 80 minus 30 is 50. I subtracted, now I add these together. 50 plus 7 equals 57. So now I know 93 minus 36 equals 57. All right, guys, again, remember there are some details when solving using the strategy on subtraction that you have to pay closer attention to. make sure you carry over your sign. Make sure you're subtracting your 1s, subtracting your 10s, and then adding these numbers here together at the end. Thank you guys, and remember, this is not a strategy you have to use. You can use this strategy or an open number line, and you can always, always, always check your answer with base 10. See you guys in the next video.